Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop. Here we have, this one just came in this week. I didn't have a chance to do any videos on it, but this is a Turbo 350 out of a 78 Chevy two-wheel drive Cheyenne pickup truck. The client was complaining that the transmission was not shifting automatically. Obviously it's supposed to. He had to manually shift it. Torque converter was bad in it. It went bad and had some other issues. So I'm kind of doing this video after I tore it down already or disassembled it. The direct drive, I'm sorry, it's a forward. The forward drive frictions were pretty well. See there, that friction, you see the metal? And it was pretty well. You had burn spots all over those frictions. You know, it's just your typical worn out old transmission. Needs a rebuild. Wow, I didn't even see that one earlier, but that one's completely eat off of there. Well, no. Anyway, and there's that one. Little bare places like this. No lining material left whatsoever. And a few other little odds and ends. So I thought, you know, I better do a little video because it's been a couple of weeks since I posted my last video, and I probably should do better about that. But this transmission is going to need a complete rebuild, and every bushing in the entire transmission is going to have to be replaced. I'm going to try to do a video on that as I do it. But in the meantime, I've got to finish disassembling the valve body, get everything cleaned up. I'm sure nobody wants to see a video on cleaning up transmission parts, so I'll skip that. So I had rebuilt the transmission in the truck. As you can see, it's not here no longer. And I had rebuilt the transmission for a two-wheel drive long-tail Turbo 350. And this guy found out about it. He called me, and I put it in his truck for him. And he actually just drove off in it here a little while ago. I had to spend a little time tuning the governor. And for those of you that don't know what a governor is in a transmission, here's one, Turbo 350, 400, basically the same, have the same governor style in them. Some of the 700s, I believe, yeah, 700s have them as well. So that's what I got going on now. He does want to go ahead and, well, I got to get him a price worked up on it, but he does want to know how much it's going to cost to rebuild it, but it sounds like he's going to want to do it. But this one here, your thrust washer, right here, you know, these little grooves are in these thrust washer for lubrication to go through. And as you can see right there, I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but you can see it's flat right there, and it's not supposed to be. So there was some lubrication issues in this transmission as well. It's just an old transmission. But the planets look good. Not too much play in those. They look good. They're definitely reusable. And believe it or not, the sprag didn't fall apart when I took it out. Took the retainer off of it. All the little rollers stayed in it. I had it off of there once. I don't know why I put it back on there, but I did. Keep everything together. I didn't want to tear anything down too far, like disassemble the pump, disassemble the valve body, and I hadn't talked to the owner yet. He just wanted to come by when he picked up the truck and see what all's going to need. So I didn't want to go too crazy with it and take all the pistons out of the drums, and you know, and then he decided he didn't want to do anything, so just decided to hold off on that part and just show him and explain it to him. He gets it, he understands. So but this one here is definitely going to need all the bushings replaced in it. So just gotta look at my price sheet and see what everything's going to cost. So, all right. Well, this is a relatively short video. Been a couple weeks, I guess, since I had posted my last video, so I thought maybe I better do one. I think I've already said that. And so if you enjoy this kind of content, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click on that little subscribe button and that notification bell beside it, so you'll get future videos, or you can get into my channel and check out my other videos. I have different content, not just transmission stuff. That stuff with my front engine dragsters on there and everything, and all that good stuff. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, see ya.